Hello guys, in this video we're going to learn how to set up an AWS command line on Windows. First of all, let's go to our Google and we'll type AWS CLI install window. Then you can choose the first one. Accept all cookies. Then you come here, click on Windows. And come over here and choose AWS and choose run and download AWS MSI installer for Windows 64-bit and click on the link. And it will download the installer for us. So it's downloading, you can see it here. It's downloading. So now the download is complete. So now we can click on it. So it said, please wait while Setup Wizard prepare to guide you through the installation. So now the Setup Wizard is ready. So now you click next. You click accept terms in the license agreement. You click next again. Click next and install. So it will take few seconds. So click yes. So the installation is finished. So click finish. Let's go to our command line and confirm if the AWS CLI is installed properly. So let's click on command line, command prompt, and then you click type AWS -- version. You can see that we have installed the AWS command line here, which is AWS command line 2.19.1. So this is how you install AWS command line on your Windows machine. Thank you for watching, and like the video, and kindly subscribe if you haven't done so. Have a good day.